Imagine this. You've got an important meeting in 5 minutes, and suddenly your Samsung Mobile isn't working. Frustrating, isn't it? We've all been there, right? One moment, you're scrolling through your emails, the next, your screen freezes. Or worse, your favorite app keeps crashing. It's enough to make you want to tear your hair out. But hey, take a deep breath. These are common software issues that many Samsung Mobile users experience. You're not alone in this. In fact, these issues are so common that they've become something of an unwanted hallmark for many smartphone users. But guess what? They don't have to be. There are solutions out there, ways to troubleshoot these pesky problems that can turn your smartphone experience from frustrating to fabulous. But don't worry, that's why we're here today. We're going to help you troubleshoot and fix these common software issues. Let's dive right in. First off, restart your phone. It might sound simple, but trust me, it works wonders. This action is like a mini detox for your device. It cleans out the temporary cache, closes all those background apps that might be slowing your device down, and gives your Samsung a fresh start. So, how do you restart your Samsung Mobile? It's as easy as pie. Just press and hold the power button on the side of your device. A menu will pop up on your screen. Select the Restart option. Your device will go dark for a moment, and then the Samsung logo will appear, signaling that your device is rebooting. Now, while your phone is restarting, let's talk about why this simple step is so important. You see, over time, our phones accumulate a lot of unnecessary data from apps and internet browsing. This can cause the device to slow down and even cause software glitches. Restarting your phone helps clear out this digital clutter, making your phone run smoother and faster. Once your phone has restarted, give it a little test drive. Open a few apps, scroll through your photo gallery, check out your social media. Notice any changes? Is it running a bit smoother? If so, great. If not, don't fret. We're just getting started. The next step is to check for any available software updates. Samsung regularly releases updates to fix bugs and improve performance. Not staying up to date can cause your device to act up. To check for updates, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the notification panel, then tap on this Settings gear icon. Scroll down and tap on Software Update, then tap on Download and Install. If an update is available, your device will start downloading it. So there you have it. 2 simple steps to help resolve common software issues. But remember, these are just the first steps. There's more troubleshooting to do if the problems persist. By now, your phone should be running smoother. If not, don't worry, there's more to come. Still experiencing issues? Let's move on to checking for any software updates. It's a common sight to see software updates lying around, waiting to be installed. These updates not only bring new features to your Samsung Mobile, but they also come with bug fixes that could potentially solve your software issues. So, how do we check for these updates? It's simple. Head over to your Settings menu, scroll down to Software Update. Tap on it and you'll see an option to download and install. If there's an update waiting for you, this is where it'll be hiding. Now, it might be tempting to skip this step if your mobile is low on battery, but resist the urge. It's important to have at least 50% battery before you start this process. You don't want your phone shutting down mid-update. That could lead to more problems. Once you've made sure your battery is charged, go ahead and tap on Download and Install. Your phone will do the rest. It might need to reboot, but don't worry, that's normal. After the update, give your phone a little time to adjust. It might run a little slow at first, but that's just because it's getting used to the new software. With your software up to date, your Samsung Mobile should be back in business. But if not, we have one more solution to try. If you're still with us, it means you're facing a stubborn issue, but worry not. We have a final solution: Factory Reset. This is your last resort when all else fails. It's as simple as navigating to your settings, selecting Backup and Reset, then Factory Data Reset. Recap, we started with basic troubleshooting, moved to updating software, and finally, the Factory Reset. Each step is crucial in resolving your software issues. So there you have it, 3 simple steps to get your Samsung Mobile back on track. Remember, when in doubt, don't panic, just follow these steps. Until next time, stay tech savvy.